Hi, everybody. Welcome to first day of individual fitness. You guys are going to be completing the blue workout today. So if you found this video, you're already off to a good start. I'm going to take you through the workout so you guys know what to do and how to complete your exit ticket for the day. So once you got into this folder, you saw that it's blue workout day. You're going to complete today's workout and exit ticket by 11:59 on Tuesday. So this is going to be a similar layout to our classes moving forward. You're going to, task 1 will be watch my video, which you're already doing, so that's great. Task 2, you're going to complete the workout, the warm-up, the workout, and the cool down. Then you're going to download the PDF in Notability and turn it into Schoology. So you're obviously watching my video, which will be right here. Task 2, complete the warm-up. So today's warm-up is going to be completing all 5 of these exercises for 1 minute each. So you're going to do jumping jacks for 1 minute. You're going to do a front plank for 1 minute, bodyweight squats for 1 minute, arm circles for 1 minute, and mountain climbers for 1 minute. So I suggest maybe getting a stopwatch, get your phone, your iPad, just time yourself. So this warm-up should take you a total of 5 minutes. Once you guys are done with the warm-up, you're going to scroll down for today's workout. Today's workout, you're going to complete all the exercises from left to right, and then you're going to do it again 3 times total. So to start, you'll do 12 calf raises, then you'll do 10 bodyweight squats, you'll do 8 push-ups, 6 jump squats, and 4 burpees. Once you've done all of them one time, you're going to go back to the beginning. You're going to do 12, 10, 8, 6, 4. Then one more time, you'll do 12, 10, 8, 6, 4. Okay, once you've done them all 3 times, you are done with the workout for today. You can roll right into your cool down, which is going to be stretch on your own for 5 minutes. So work on your breathing. If maybe you haven't squatted in a while and your legs are a little bit sore, stretch those out. Totally up to you guys what you'd like to do for the stretching today. For your assignment, so task 3, after your workout is completed, you're going to fill out today's blue workout exit ticket and turn that in by midnight on Tuesday. So if we go back to this folder that you guys have already clicked on, you'll see right here there's a PDF that says blue workout number 1 exit ticket. That is what we are going to be clicking on. You can also go into the assignment tab here, and the PDF is going to be embedded as there as well. So there's going to be 2 places for you to be able to find it. So once we click on that, it's going to take us to this PDF here. Okay, so blue Monday, Tuesday workout. You guys are Digital Academy, so obviously this is you guys. All right, first question is just having you talk about your physical activity. Questions 2 and 3 are going to be talking about the exercises from today. And then question 4 is any question that you may have moving forward with our class, whether it's about things we'll be doing, our Schoology page, really whatever kind of questions you guys have. Once you're done, you will come to this assignment tab. You can also go in the grade book and click on it through that way and find it in there. Make sure you guys download the completed version. All right, make sure you guys save it. Put it in there and you should be good to go. We will see you on Wednesday for our black workout.